You've probably already heard about the people who've been making a living off of affiliate marketing, right? They're everywhere online. And while most of you probably think that they can do it because they already have a following, well, not everyone in affiliate marketing does. So don't close this video just yet because I'm about to teach you a clever way to make huge recurring profits from affiliate links without a following and without being an influencer. It's a simple strategy that will allow you to get leads and build income easily. It's really simple and you can start making money by doing this today. Welcome to Next Level Finance, where we teach you how to make money online with your financial freedom as the ultimate goal. If you know anyone whom you think will find value in this kind of content, feel free to share this video with them because it really supports the channel. And with that said, let's get right to the tutorial. Anytime you've searched for anything on Google, you probably noticed that before the actual results come out, a few ads appear before them. Well, some of these ads are actually affiliate links that people have been making big money from. And I'm here to show you how you can do that too. So let's say you open Google and you type email marketing software on the Google search bar. So here you'll see ads appear at the top of the search right away. Sendinblue.com, cm.com, bluehost.com, intercom.com. These are all ads, as you can see. And the reason you'll find these over here is because people are running Google ads on these kinds of software. And yes, software specifically. I'll tell you why a little later on, but understand that they do it because they earn big money from it. Running Google ads isn't free, so you got to think about the return on investment. And when you sell software, it can be pretty astronomical if you use this kind of strategy. The key thing is to know how to start. So if you're interested, then do come along with me and I'll show you where you can start looking for software that you can earn from. So let's call this the product research phase. And I think the best place to start is this website called Capterra.com. It's basically a free website that directs people to the kind of software that they need for their business. Something like a one-stop shop, so you don't need to search for each category or software individually. So let's head over to Capterra.com right now and check out how this works. Okay, so you'll see over here that there's this tab called Software Categories, and from it you'll be able to see all the categories listed in alphabetical order. So there are hundreds of categories with a ton of brands in each one, and all of these you can potentially earn affiliate commissions from. So the key to earning a sizable profit in commissions is doing your due diligence when it comes to product research. This is the key. So we need to find a good product that people know about. Number one, something with a high demand, and number two, not a lot of competition. And number three, it should also have an affiliate marketing program in place. So let's quickly look through some of these categories here. So let's try accounting software. Okay, we can see Zoho Books, QuickBooks, FreshBooks, Wave, Brokerment, etc. Okay, now let's try, blog software. So here we have Wix, HubSpot, WordPress, Squarespace, Weebly. So yeah, this is basically just a comprehensive list of email marketing software available, and what you want to check is which of these brands is popular online. Why? Well, again, because if it's a popular product that gets a high volume of search traffic on Google, and there aren't a lot of people running ads for their affiliate program, then that doubles, triples, or even quadruples your chances of getting a huge profit off of commissions with one simple ad that you'll put out. Okay, so let me show you how to do that right now. Okay, let's try this. Affiliate software. All right, and let's pick one over here. Scalio seems to be gaining popularity. It only has a few reviews, but they're all 5-star ones. So that's good. Let's try to search for Scalio on Google. There you go. Okay, we see that there's one ad for Scalio right here. And I want to go back to Capterra to find another popular software from this list that doesn't have any ads at all. Let's see. Okay, how about this one? Let's try Referral Rock. Referral Rock looks good. No ads means a higher chance for me to intercept any searches on Google for it. Because when you search for something specific on Google, what does that mean? Well, it means you're a warm lead. It means that you've probably heard about the software. Maybe you were referred by a friend who already uses it. Meaning if you were to find my link and click on it, chances are you will probably be ready to buy, right? And that's the point where I want to catch. Now, before you get too excited, we need to make sure that they have an affiliate program too. Of course, I mean, how are you going to earn if it doesn't, right? So we also need to know how much commission they offer because it really differs from brand to brand. And yeah, when I mentioned earlier that I wanted you to look for software products specifically, it's because with software, people get charged every month. It's subscription based. It's not a one-time thing. And because they pay per month, as the affiliate, you'll be receiving a recurring monthly commission as well. Basically, you spend once on the ad or receive passive income from this strategy. It's not a one-time thing, as I said, and that's the beauty of it. So let's go look for another software and find out how much their product sells for, how much commission we can earn from it. This way we can compute our potential earnings. So we talked about email marketing earlier, so why not check that category out right now? Okay, what do they have? Okay, here, ConvertKit. So this software I use personally. So let's click on that one to find out if it has an affiliate marketing program and how much the person whose link I clicked on is making from my subscription. Wow, see here, ConvertKit does have an affiliate program and it offers 30% commissions. Now let's go on to check their pricing. Here, so they have a free account and they charge up to $29 for 300 subscribers. But I do pay them a couple hundred a month, so I know, okay, here, the more subscribers you have, the higher the premium you pay. So here, if you scroll up on top, you can check to find out how much you can potentially be making. If the person who clicks on your affiliate link has 1,000, 5,000, 10,000, or even 50,000 or more subscribers. To get us a little bit excited, let's try to compute for 50,000 subscribers. So at this rate, the user will be charged $519 a month. And if the affiliate were to be paid 30% of that, that would be $155 a month. This is per month, guys, and per subscriber. That's not too shabby at all. So yeah, just to keep everything in this video bite-sized, I think I'm going to make a part 2 for this where we can talk more about how to register for an affiliate program, how to promote it on Google Ads, and everything else in between, like terms and conditions that you need to take note of. Okay, so make sure you stay tuned for that one by clicking on the subscribe and notification bell here so that you don't lose your momentum. And if you have any questions or concerns, do leave them down in the comments section below so we can address them in part 2. I also suggest that you get started on product research the way I taught you to do it in this video, just to give you a head start. Remember, all good thoughts and ideas mean nothing without action. Meanwhile, I'll be leaving links to our other videos in the cards and description box below so you can keep learning and growing. Alrighty then, signing off until the next one. Have a good one, guys.